Many women and couples want natural and safe contraception without hormones. With the Caya diaphragm, your contraceptive is safe, easy to use, and available when you need it. Pills and other hormones are no longer necessary. The Caya diaphragm is a new design, developed through extensive research with input from women and healthcare providers. Caya is designed to fit a woman's body. A single size fits most women. This is what Caya looks like. The cervical cup covers the cervix and prevents sperm from entering the uterus. The flexible rim makes Caya easy to insert and provides a comfortable fit. The grip dimples show you where to squeeze the diaphragm during insertion, and the removal dome makes it simple to take Caya out after use. Always use Caya in combination with a contraceptive gel, the Caya gel. To help you insert the Caya diaphragm, we'll illustrate and describe correct positioning in the vagina. Find the cervix at the top of the vagina. After insertion, the Caya diaphragm will cover your cervix. Relax and find a comfortable position before inserting Caya the first time, and also to practice finding your cervix. Find your cervix by inserting your longest finger into your vagina. Your cervix may feel like a cherry or like the tip of your nose. If you cannot feel your cervix, try again in a different position. Next, use your finger to find your pubic bone in front of the vagina. You will position the diaphragm's removal dome behind the pubic bone. Always insert the Caya diaphragm before sexual intercourse. Please practice inserting the diaphragm a few times before using it the first time during sex. Always wash your hands before inserting the Caya diaphragm. First, place about 4 ml of Caya gel, about a teaspoon, into the cervical cup. With your fingers on the grip dimples, squeeze the diaphragm to create a fold along the middle, and then put contraceptive gel into the cup on each side of the fold. To make insertion easier, spread a small amount of gel onto the rim on the end opposite the removal dome. You can insert the Caya diaphragm anytime before sex. Find a position that is relaxing for you, such as squatting, lying down, or standing with one leg elevated. Hold the Caya diaphragm with one hand. Squeeze the Caya diaphragm by placing the thumb and index finger on the grip dimples along the rim. The arrow should point toward your body. Using your free hand, spread your labia. Continue squeezing the Caya diaphragm while you insert it into your vagina. Push the Caya deeply along the posterior vaginal wall until the cervix rests inside the cup. Push the rim of the removal dome up to tuck it behind the pubic bone. Using your finger, check that your cervix is covered by the cervical cup. Can you feel your cervix through the cup? If yes, then Caya is in the correct position. If you cannot feel your cervix through the cervical cup, take the diaphragm out and try inserting it again. Once you have confirmed that the Caya diaphragm is positioned correctly, you are ready to have sex. During and after sexual intercourse, Caya prevents sperm from entering through the cervix into the uterus. When used with a contraceptive gel such as the Caya gel, the Caya diaphragm offers safe, non-hormonal protection from unwanted pregnancy. If you inserted the Caya diaphragm more than 2 hours before having sex, you need to add more contraceptive gel by using a vaginal applicator. If you want to have sex more than once, do not remove the Caya diaphragm. Just add more contraceptive gel using the applicator. The Caya diaphragm must remain in the vagina for at least 6 hours after intercourse. Never leave the Caya diaphragm in the vagina for longer than 24 hours without taking it out to wash it. To remove the diaphragm, insert one finger into the vagina and then into the removal dome to pull out the diaphragm. The Caya diaphragm is reusable. After removing it from the vagina, wash with soap and water, then allow it to air dry. Once it has dried, please place your Caya diaphragm in its case for safe storage. Before each use, check your Caya diaphragm for holes and tears. Make sure that you do not damage it with your fingernails. The Caya diaphragm is reusable. You can use it for 2 years before replacing it. Caya, a new generation diaphragm for modern women. Natural, safe, hormone-free, reusable, convenient and easy to use, like a tampon. Simple protection. Use only when you need it. For questions, contact us or your physician, midwife, or a family planning center. Please read the detailed instructions for use provided in the Caya package. You will find important additional information.